Alt-R. Grades for
Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to view your grades on the My Grades or Grades page on Canvas. So I have the page open for my test student, and I'm going to maximize the window
Windows up arrow.
and start at the top with Control Home.
Grades.
So there are two ways to do this. We will walk through both of them. But first, the easiest way or the most direct way is to press T for table.
Table with 7 columns and 5 rows.
Your grades are listed in a table, and it will always start you at the beginning of the table. So when you press T for table, the way you must navigate this table is by using Control, Alt, and the arrow keys. So for instance, left and right arrow plus Control and Alt will navigate you across rows. Control, Alt, up, / down arrow will navigate you up and down columns. So let's see what we have.
Do name column 1.
So we have the name of the assignment,
Do column 2.
its due date,
Submitted column 3.
if you have submitted it,
Status column 4.
if it's been graded or not,
Score column 5.
and lastly, your score.
Details column 6.
And in the last column, the details, that is where you find information about the class's grade. So for instance, the mean, median, and mode statistics for the assignment.
Submission progress status column 7. Details score status column.
So let's check the first assignment listed.
Do name column 8. Link quiz on module 2 assignments row 2.
Oh, and it's told me I was late.
Link 8 quiz on module 3 assignments row 3.
So let's look at the score for this one.
Do blank column 2.
So there's no due date.
Submitted OG4 at 3:35 a.m. column 3.
And another interesting thing is it also tells you whenever you click through in a column or a row, it will tell you the label for that column or row.
Status blank call score. Click to test a different score button 100/100 column.
So the score was 100 out of 100. And now let's check the details.
Details blank column 6.
There are no details. So that is a very brief overview of how to view your grades. So now let's try the other navigation way.
Grades for test student.
So the other way to view a table is to use the table layered command. But you have to be in the table for this to work. So once again, we have to start by pressing T.
Table with 7 columns and 5 rows.
And now we do caps lock plus spacebar.
Space.
You will hear the boop boop. And then you press T.
T table layer.
You'll hear table layer. And now you can just use the arrow keys. You do not need to add Control and Alt. You can just arrow around the table itself.
Late link quiz on module 2 assignments. Name row 1. Do column 2. Submitted column 3.
I hope this helps explain how to navigate the grades page. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.
Screen sharing.